isda guys oh. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's episode, magmukbang tayo sa Indian restaurant. Meron kasi ditong murang biryani worth 12 dirhams lang yata. Masarap daw sabi nila, kaya tara, tikman natin. Ito po yata guys oh, itong Indian restaurant, Kudla. Tara, pasok tayo. Hello, good evening. You don't have mad beef?
No. Mandi
Mandi only?
No, mandi no have. Chicken biryani.
Like grilled.
No grill, no?
No grilled? Pare?
Grill have.
Grill?
Charcoal.
Where charcoal?
Charcoal is not have in picture.
That picture?
Yeah. We have
How much charcoal?
Charcoal is 40 dirham.
Huh?
40 dirham.
With the rice already?
No, only charcoal.
Only the... Try ito ng muton, di ko yun.
Mutton also.
What is muton handi?
Mutton hand is coming like capsicum, onion, the mix there.
Only this one. Muton na?
Mutton biryani.
Isa lang. How much? This one?
20 dirham.
Good for two?
Yeah, can enough to for 2%.
Ilang kay iwan na to.
No, one muton and one... Another fish. What is the fish?
Fish, which one? You want hamur also have and kingfish also have.
Same price?
Same price, yeah.
No, only 1/7 up.
1/7 up.
Only one?
Okay.
These are too big, this, but enough. Only 1/7 up.
Okay.
Give us this one, the bread, this one.
Same like this one.
Paparam, yeah. Okay. Paparam.
Paparam.
Yeah, same like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Paparan.
Mutton biryani and fish biryani.
Okay.
Yeah, we will. It's okay. We will vlog here. I will eat vlog. Okay.
Mutton biryani, fish biryani, normal spicy.
So ito guys yung restaurant nila. Maliit pero maganda. Kadalasan dito order lang. Kaya minsan sa taas merong kainan. Tara, punta tayo sa taas guys. What's up mga kawiti? Today's video, magmukbang tayo ng mutton biryani, fish biryani, at merong kasamang pamparam, tapos vegetable salad. Ito yung mutton gravy. Yan guys, mutton gravy. Ano tawag dito? Yogurt. Ayan guys. Ang price nito, yung mutton biryani medyo mahal lang konti. 20 dirhams. Ito 15. At meron silang chicken biryani na 12 dirhams. Ang sarap din guys. Kaya natikman ko yun. Kaya bumabalik ako rito. Kaya try natin tikman itong fish biryani at saka mutton. Pray muna tayo. Ano pang hinintay natin? Attack. Mutton biryani. Itong gravy guys, napakasarap nito. Ito guys, oh, crunchy. Ito palang ginamit nilang isda sa fish biryani, ano, lapu-lapu. Isda guys, oh. Sarap ng lapu-lapu. Yogurt. Ito pala yung fish biryani. Ito guys, oh, mutton biryani. Ano? Sa specific one? Specific animal ng mutton? Sheep? Sheep, no? Karniro guys, karniro.
Ang lamb kay kon na.
Hindi ang karniro. Ang lamb ang karniro. Grabe nita. Guys. Jog dito eh. Alam nyo guys, nung pagdating ko rito sa United Arab Emirates, ultimo baho nito ay ayaw ko. Lalo na yung kulay, ayaw ko rin. Siguro naka 1 year ako dito bago ako kumain ng biryani. Sa baho pa lang ayaw ko talaga. Lalo na yung masala flavor. After 1 year, try kong tumikim unti-unti hanggang paborito ko na to. Sobrang sarap. Sarap guys. Mukha lang siyang iwan pero ang sarap.
Just wondering whether they might make a change at the top, just because of the conditions, but it looks like it's going to be rolling, and I'm sure it will be a transition as well. It's so good at the top. Wonder whether they might look at someone like Cameron Green just to try and use the conditions, quite so easy coming in the middle, but it looks like, they've got the pads on, but it looks like rolling will open up the addition kitchen. What a run chase. We've got on our hands here.
Guys, busog na ako. Kaya hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.